in this video is a part of BJ's Wholesale Club's official Awesomest list of toys.
Ho, 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 ho.
Hey look! Santa just ran into Halloween Town!
You know what, assistant? I think Santa had all the toys from the official Awesomest list of toys from BJ's Wholesale Club.
We should go look for them!
Yeah, all 10 of the coolest holiday toys. Let's see if we can find them, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Into Halloween Town we go. Find Santa. Santa!
Santa!
The giant Mickey Mouse, but that's not Santa Claus, right?
No.
Let's go over here.
Look!
Santa left a toy!
It's Noah from the Hair Adorable.
It is! It's Hair Amazing Prom Perfect Hair Adorables. It's Noah, right?
Because she's the prom queen.
Wait a minute. Assistant, look behind you.
Uh-oh! Go!
Hey, get out of here! Alright, let's go.
Hi.
Let's go this way. Alright, so we found the first. Look, another toy!
Another toy!
Sure, it's kind of dark here. Here, why don't we put the Hair Adorables down? What is that? The second toy is what?
It's So Sam DIY.
It is a So Sam Sensory Sand Studio. Oh, look, you can cut it and do all kinds of cool things.
I bet you could mix them and add glitter into them.
Oh, really?
Well, I think so.
Wow, so we found 2 of the top 10 toys. All right, let's go see if we can find any more toys that Santa left.
Okay. I see another one.
Oh, it's a giant mystery egg from TJ Maxx. Hey, sister, we did a video on that, didn't we?
Yeah, they were so cool.
We opened it up. It was, wait a minute, it was part of our TEF Kids video, right?
Right, and it comes with accessories, sticky splat, vehicles, an accessory, a dig surprise, a plush, stickers, and all other things too.
That's right. We found all 3 members of PJ Masks inside of that, didn't we?
Right.
All right, so we found 3 of the toys.
I see another one.
You do what? Oh, down there.
Whoa.
It's the Tornado GX 2.0. Hey, it's a little stunt drone.
It's an indoor stunt drone.
So you can do stunts on that with that, right?
Whoa, I wonder how you do stunts with it.
I don't know. We'll have to check it out. That's another one of the videos for the official Awesomest list of toys.
Awesome.
So let's look at that again.
Here, I'll take off this.
So people, how do you think you do all the tricks of that stunt drone?
I don't know.
We'll have to watch that video, right?
Right.
All right, let's keep going into Halloween Town.
Here's another one.
Santa left another one. What is that? Ravel Tails, right?
Ravel Tails, what's on mine? What's
Ooh,
up,
so it has yarn and you can make all kinds of cool stuff, right?
Right, and you can find these toys, or these plushes inside of there. And you notice they all have cool designs on them like you knitted them.
Wow, so that's 12 fun surprises in each one, right? Another one of the top 10 toys.
Let's go over here.
Okay. How many have we found so far? 3, 4?
5?
I don't even know. We're in a really
found 5.
spooky part of Halloween Town now.
Ooh, stuff balloons!
Stuff balloons. Hey, you did a video for that on your channel, didn't you?
Yeah, go check it out.
On the Assistant's Corner. That was a real fun one.
Ooh, I want to open this later. Okay.
Wait, let's look at stuff balloons. So you can actually stuff things inside of it, right?
And it comes with 24 balloons, so you'll have definitely a lot of chances to work on it.
And so you put the balloon inside, and you kind of like expand it, and then it comes with a stuffed animal. What other stuff does it come with?
And it comes with balloons that you can put inside of it, pom-poms, confetti, glitter.
You've made some stuffed balloons with your friends, haven't you?
Yeah, they were party favors.
They were party favors. They really enjoyed it. All right, so let's keep going. Found another one of the lists.
I don't see anything.
What about you? Did you find anything? I don't think he found anything either.
Nothing over here.
Nothing over there.
Let's go by the swing.
Hey, look at the slide here. Is there anything up the slide? Can you go up the slide back down through the haunted house?
Yeah.
You can run up it, assistant.
Okay. Here I go.
Okay.
Ah!
Wow, there she comes through the haunted house. All right, let's look over here for the rest of all the swing stuff. Your magic carpet. Deep in the forest, right?
Right. Nothing over here. Oh no. I guess that means we have to go into the maze.
You know what? I think you're right. Look over here. This giant cat is thinking the maze, isn't he?
Go in.
Don't step on his paw. All right, wait a minute. Let's see if we can. So let's keep going. So we're almost by the maze, right?
We are by the maze. Santa!
That was Santa right there. Did you see it? Wait a minute.
Come on.
That was Santa. Oh, we gotta go inside. We gotta go inside this maze.
I think Santa went this way.
We gotta find Santa Claus. I wonder if he left any more.
It's not right here, but I did find another cool toy.
Whoa! It's the Launch and Haul Paw Patroller. We did a video for that on TEF Kids, didn't we?
At the Paw Patrol Lookout.
We did at the Paw Patrol Lookout Tower, and they're all made of metal. It comes with. Let's show the people what it comes with.
It comes with all the Paw Patrol characters, including Robo-Dog.
It comes with Robo-Dog. It comes with Marshall,
Chase, Rocky, Zuma, Sky,
wow,
and Rubble.
And Rubble. All right, let's see if we can find Santa. The rest of these toys, right?
Right. I think I see Santa.
You do?
Yeah. He went this way.
Wait a minute, so you're going too fast. Anything? It sure is loud over here.
No, it's not anything, but I did find another cool toy.
Oh, let's take it over here. Let's look at it. What is it?
It's a super surprise safe from Ryan's World.
Oh, it's a Ryan's World Super Surprise Safe, isn't it?
Right.
It has all kinds of mini surprises with 30 different surprises to unlock.
Whoa! That is so cool.
We're going to have to check that out. I can see why that would be one of the top 10 toys.
This way. Nope, dead end.
That's a dead end.
This way.
All right, wait, sister. So let's see if I can follow you.
This way. Nope, dead end.
Another dead end? You're right, not that way.
This way. This way.
Okay.
Don't see anything.
No. It's another dead end, right?
This way has to be towards the exit.
I think you're right. I don't see you.
Right here.
Are we lost?
I think so.
Sister, are we lost? I don't know how to get out of here.
I think I do.
All right, let's keep going.
Come on. We totally passed this toy.
Oh, we did. It's a kidney kid. Look at it. Grab that toy, assistant. Whoa, candy fun delivery scooter. So look, it's got all kinds of like yummy treats on it, and it's got a scooter, right?
Right. Whoa. That is so cool. The exit.
Is that the exit? Well, we've got to find Santa, assistant.
Yeah. Look! Santa! Hi, Santa.
Good job, assistant! You found all the toys!
Hey, what's that? Is that the Blues Clues and you? Deluxe Dance Salon?
Whoa!
It comes with blue and magenta. We're going to open that one up. Is that okay, Santa?
Of course! Good job, assistant!
Hey, assistant, let's take that back to the Halloween town and we're going to open it up and show the people how it works, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Thanks, Santa. We love the toys. Assistant, we're so lucky we found it.
Yeah. Do you want to go to
Come over here to the spot right next to this other area. And we're going to open it up, right?
Right.
Good job.
Here it is.
Deluxe Dance Along Blue with magenta.
Here it
Let's
is.
open it up, okay?
Open it up.
So there they are, Blue and Magenta, and you've got the guitar, right?
Right.
So let's put Blue down and see if we can get him to do some grooving for us.
Okay.
All right, Blue, you ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
She's looking for
Look at him, the sister's dancing around. Look at him moving his ears.
Magenta's dancing.
Whoa, look at that, that's not cool. It says
Yeah.
Blue and Magenta. Which one's blue and which one's magenta?
Blue and magenta. See? Look, now
Oh, you
magenta.
put him on his head.
Now magenta's on Blue's head.
Oh,
Whoa.
Magenta, you can't fall down.
Okay, let's
Ready for
have.
some rhythm and blues?
So he comes with the guitar and Blue and Magenta, right?
Right.
Do you want to dance some more?
Do you want to dance some more? Pretty cool, right, assistant?
Right.
So we found all kinds of cool toys, including Blue and Magenta with their guitar, right?
Right.
All part of the Awesomest toys, right?
Right.
So which one would you saw so many that were so fun, right? So this is the
Right.
official Awesomest list of toys from BJ's Wholesale Club, right?
Right. My favorite toy. What was your favorite toy?
I don't know, there were so many fun ones.
Mine was either the Stuffaloons or the Kindy Kids.
And well, I really like the
Yeah.
Blue's Clues, right?
I liked all of them. They're hard to choose which one's the best.
That's right. So, hey, make sure you follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and TikTok, right?
Right.
You've got a channel, right? And the video on Stuffaloons is on your channel, which is called
Stuffaloons. Oh.
The Assistant's Corner. Make sure you follow us on Roku, Happy Kids TV, and TDF Kids, right?
Right. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.
Bye, everyone.